Hello everyone, welcome to the Guangdong Xintongshi Group Company Limited. This is Helen. Nice to meet you. Today I will introduce our machining part product for you. Established in October 2019 with an investment of 8.5 RMB, Xintongshi Machining Project Department has advanced production equipment and experienced possession teams and a strict quality assurance system. Our product exhibits high assurance and qualities, meeting the needs of both domestic and international customers. So far, our company has developed more than 3,000 parts with an annual output exceeding 4.8 million pieces. Our products range including the accessories of evaporators, oil coolers, condensers, intercoolers, or aluminum radiators, heaters, etc. Now let's visit our workshop. This is our workshop. Next, I will lead you visit a complete list of our products. And the first step of our production is quality inspections. In this step, we will identify the qualified material and then place them in the machine, just like that. This is also our step 2, cutting. After cutting, we need to further handle our product. In this step, we have two different types, drawing and cutting. Next, we need to use machine to drill holes into our products. Our company has two different kinds of advanced machines, CNC machining areas and machining centers. They both can conduct drawing operations, and the main differences between them lies in the size and depth of the holes. In the production process, we need to choose the machine according to the specific type of product. This step is to remove the impurities. These impurities are not only easy to strengthen, but may also result in errors. Therefore, we must to remove them. This is the symbols we have handled. This is our ultrasonic cleaning process. During this stage, we conduct 3 ultrasonic washes. It is noticeable that the water quality undergoes a significant change from turbid to clean after each washes, indicating a gradual reduction of impurities on the surface of the parts. After cleaning, we need to place the samples in this high-temperature drawing to ensure that all the water is completely evaporated. After drawing, we will send these samples to the quality inspection area. In fact, quality inspection is integrated into every step from the initial raw material processing to drawing. We adhere to 3 key principles. The first inspections, petrol inspections, and warehouse inspection rules. These quality inspections has found a defense line for our products insurance. This is our finished machining part product. I have prepared some sample for you. Let me show you. And this is our condenser accessory series, also our main product. Let me show you. And this is our machater. The inner and outer nozzle, the brisket, the driver, and the connectors, etc. And this is our evaporator joint series, such as the oil cooler joint. We have 2 different ones, the plant one and the tube one.
And we also have the other one like the cooker pot and other accessories.
This is the whole process of machining part products. During the visits, as you can see, our company has established a complete line of production with a high made weight of 98%. If you are looking for high quality products, please contact us. Besides, our company also has other products like evaporators, oil cooler, condensers, heater, radiators, etc. Thank you for joining us this time. Welcome to visit our factory. Bye bye.